Hey Kingdom family, if you're interested in how I got this wonderful defined twist out, then stay tuned. Welcome to the 3B Kingdom, where you're blessed, beautiful, and bright. It's all about faith, fashion, beauty, and life for the brothers and sisters of the kingdom. So join today. Don't you know that you're blessed? Don't you know you're beautiful? So shine bright. Show your light. In the 3B Kingdom. It's the 3B Kingdom. Welcome back to my channel, Kingdom family. Today I want to do a little something different. What I want to do is show you how I do my twist outs and how I get them so defined. I have a lot of compliments on my natural hair and especially how I wear my twist outs. I love when I do my twist outs because most of the time they last for about 2 weeks before they even start looking frizzy, and I think that has to do with the products that I use as well as the way that I do it. So I just kind of wanted to get on here and just share with you my natural hair process and how I go about doing my twist out. Okay, for best results, it's best to start off with freshly washed hair. I've washed my hair with Creme of Nature, Argan Oil, Moisture and Shine Shampoo. I wash my hair usually one time in the shower, thoroughly lathering it up and rinsing out. Before going to a conditioner, I use a Creme of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Conditioner. I condition my hair very well. I kind of leave it in for like 5 to 10 minutes in the shower before I then wash that out thoroughly. Then I'm going to deep condition my hair this time. I don't do it every time, but this time to get some really good moisture, I'm going to use the Creme of Nature Intensive Conditioning Treatment along with the Creme of Nature Milk Mask. So using both of them, I put them both in my hair, and then I use my deep conditioning cap and I put it on and I sit that in my hair for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now, if I don't use the cap, I will use my Q-Reduce steamer because then I only leave it in for 15 minutes and it comes out really well because the Q-Reduce will seal in that moisture. Once it's in, I section my hair into 4 sections and I twist them. They're thoroughly detangled and they've been washed out. And now the conditioner is completely washed out and detangled into these 4 twist outs. So now it's time to take these twists out and put in some oil. So to seal the moisture, I like to use coconut oil. So I get out my big tub of coconut oil and I begin to thoroughly oil my hair, taking down each section at a time. Alright, now that the hair is detangled, it's time to put in my Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spray that throughout my entire head and then go through it with my Deming brush, again doing each section one at a time. Okay, now that we are completely detangled and we have our hair completely oiled, it is time to now section off our hair to begin our twist. Now, I don't part my hair. I just go ahead and wing it because it doesn't really matter when you're doing a twist out. So I just go ahead and section off with my fingers. I use small sections because the smaller the section, the more defined the twist is. So after that, I use some Butter-Licious curl cream from Creme of Nature, and I put that also in each section as I begin to twist out. Take each section and make sure you thoroughly put the cream all throughout that section. I also like to use Jamaican black castor oil also in my hair, and I put that oil in as well because then when I take it out, it has such a great sheen. So just a fingertip of the cream and a fingertip of the oil and begin to twist just like this. Ooh, I got bars. Voila, all done. So it takes about 45 minutes for me to twist my entire head, but as you can see, I'm all finished. Again, the parts are not all that straight, and it really doesn't matter because once I take them out and pick them out, they'll be fine. My final touch is adding this Adore scalp oil into my scalp just to make sure that my scalp is thoroughly oiled. So I put them in all the different crevices, and with that, we are done. Okay, so it's the next morning and it's time to take my hair down. Okay, before I start to untwist my hair, I always oil my fingers. So what I do is just spray my hands with virgin olive oil. This is Palmer's virgin olive oil. I just shake it up, spray my fingers really good, get them nice and oiled before I take down my twist. That will prevent any frizzing. So just starting at the top of my hair, right at the root, and just going all the way down to the ends, I unravel, and then if the bottom is a little bit frizzy, I then just twist it around my finger a little bit just so that it will keep that curl pattern. There you have it, the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed this look. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here at the Kingdom family. And leave me a thumbs up if you like this video so I know to do more natural hair videos. And also don't forget to leave me a comment. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and shine bright.